What if overnight, gravity suddenly doubled? Every step crushes you. Every jump feels impossible. Could humans survive this new world? Let's dive in. Subscribe to Learnify. Gravity. It's the invisible force that tethers us to Earth. It pulls everything toward everything else. From falling apples to the moon orbiting above. On Earth, gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Double that and nothing stays the same. Your body suddenly feels twice as heavy. Walking is exhausting. Jumping? Forget it. Lifting a coffee mug feels like hauling a car. Your bones creak, muscles scream. Even breathing takes extra effort. Every movement becomes a battle, and simple actions, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, feel impossible. Animals struggle too. Birds crash to the ground. Cats and dogs barely move. Even insects might be trapped under their own weight. Rivers rage faster, waterfalls slam harder, and trees snap like twigs under the enormous pull of gravity. Mountains seem taller, and the Earth itself groans under the strain. Technology doesn't escape the chaos. Planes can't take off. Satellites plummet from orbit. Bridges, buildings, cars, all too heavy to function. Cities collapse under the sudden weight. Even your smartphone would feel twice as heavy in your hand. The world's infrastructure wasn't built for double gravity. Everyday life turns into a nightmare. Playing sports? Impossible. Running a marathon? Forget it. Jumping on a trampoline? Not a chance. Milk pours slower but heavier. Pets struggle to move. Even sitting down can feel like lifting a boulder. Simple pleasures become extreme challenges. Long-term, humans would need superhuman strength. Muscles and bones would have to adapt to survive. Farms, transportation, and food production would all face disaster. Life as we know it would change forever. Civilization itself could collapse or adapt in ways we can't even imagine. Could we survive? Or would Earth itself break under the weight? Could humanity adapt? Or would our world crumble? Tell me, what would you do first in a world where gravity doubled? And don't forget, subscribe to Learnify for more mind-blowing scenarios.